Did you ever stop and think, where did Earth come from? How did we go from nothing but dust in space to oceans, forests, mountains, and life? Today, we're going back 4.5 billion years to uncover the true origin story of our planet. A story of fire, collisions, chaos, and creation. Before Earth, the solar system begins. In the beginning, there was no Earth, no Sunday, just a vast, dark cloud of gas and dust floating in the galaxy. Then, about 4.6 billion years ago, something disturbed this cloud. Maybe a nearby supernova exploded. That triggered a collapse. Gravity pulled the cloud together, causing it to spin and flatten into a giant disk. At the center, a new star was forming, our Sun. Around it, smaller clumps of rock and gas began to stick together, forming planetesimals, the baby building blocks of planets. Birth of Earth from rock to planet. One of those planetesimals started growing fast. Piece by piece, rocks collided, stuck, and built a bigger and bigger object. Eventually, this hot, molten ball of rock became what we now call Earth. But it wasn't like the Earth we know today. It was a fiery, violent, and hellish world, covered in lava, constantly bombarded by asteroids. There were no oceans, no air to breathe, just a scorching surface and deadly radiation. The giant impact, how the moon was born. Then came a massive collision. A Mars-sized object, called Theia, slammed into young Earth. The impact was so powerful, it threw chunks of Earth's crust into space. These pieces eventually came together, forming our moon. This moon would later play a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's tilt, creating seasons, and affecting tides, making life more possible. Cooling down, oceans and atmosphere form. After millions of years, Earth's surface cooled. Volcanoes released gases, forming a toxic early atmosphere of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane. Then came something incredible. Water arrived, possibly from icy comets or from minerals deep within Earth. Rain fell, oceans formed. Earth went from a fiery wasteland to a blue planet, full of seas and clouds. Life begins. With water, Earth had one key ingredient for life. Somewhere in the oceans, about 3.5 billion years ago, the first life appeared, simple single-celled organisms. Over billions of years, those tiny life forms evolved into everything we know: plants, animals, humans. From dust in space to life and consciousness, Earth had completed its impossible transformation. Conclusion. So the next time you look at the ground beneath your feet, remember, it all began with dust, fire, collisions, and time. Our planet wasn't just there. It was forged in cosmic chaos, a miracle born from destruction. And yet, here we are, living, breathing, wondering. How did it all begin? Now you know. Like and subscribe for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching.